Hi guys, I come up with a problem like how to take out the financial year from the data. Like I have a dates here, so it's a use case like scenarios like I have a month and the year, and I want to take out in which financial year it will fall into. Financial year is not which is like very simple like 21, 20, 23, but in the companies they have a the financial year cycle. Like for example, in India we used to follow like uh, March, April to March, and vice versa. And I have a use case which is with me. Like we have a like an ex company, and their billing cycle or the financial year begin from 1st of September to 31st of August. Okay, so that's how. And how do I come up to a solution with this? Let me tell you the like if you go and see here, I mentioned the month. Okay, and the company give a data, and he wants to like give you like our financial year begin from the September and ended on August. So if we count it around 12 months. So how do I come up with a solution? Let me show you. If you count from the Jan, Feb, March, April, May, so you can count from the one. Okay, and when you reach till the ninth month, you can see uh, the September months fall into nine. So one for sure, one thing I like one logic which I get created, it's very easily. Like if any month which is below than 9, then it is not a part of a current financial year. Definitely it will be a part of previous financial year. If anything which falls into next 10, then it will be next financial year. So on a basis of that matrix, on a basis of that thing, I have reached to a conclusion uh, to build up a formula. Okay, and let me show you how we can how do I build this formula from the scratch itself. If you never if and you can apply the same function into Power Query as well. So let me show you step by step. So first of all, we can first of all we can check whether first of all we can check the month. Okay, so in our formula, in our that data, you can see I have calculated the month. So okay, so our baseline would be a month. So this is my month. Okay, and this is 1 to 9. Now what I'm doing right now, I apply if condition. Simply if the month is greater than equals to, okay, if a month is greater than equals to 9, then what I have to do, I have to pick simply year. Here is my year, and after picking up my year, I have to apply and parenthesis including these dots, and again I have to put the year, this one, and I have to add +1. Okay, because the current financial year, and if I go above next to it, then it will definitely increase in the next year. Okay, so I will show you like how I'm going to be formatted. Okay, and if this condition is not true, then again I have to apply, this is called nested if. And if you go on to that cell again, if sorry I have to apply month function first, then I have to pick the cell. Okay, then if anything which is less than this month, as I show you in the in the thing, let me cannot do it small. So here less than 9. Okay, if anything which is the month which is less than 9, so what the formula should do, he will pick the year, okay, and it will apply -1 because I'm going behind the previous, so it will do the current -1 from the current year. And I think I do have to apply it here. And the next year I have to get applied here. So here the next year which is comes, okay, and it will automatically yeah, the next year would be come by itself, because in first condition what we do, uh, he will pick the year if it will increase, if the thing will be increase, the formula, if we increase September, October, November, like in this way, then it will increase the value. Once we go below the 9, then it will automatically decrease the current financial year and will repeat the previous one, okay, which is there. So that's the meaning of this formula. Let me just check. The first thing is going to be very clear, and if you go and see data, I have drag it till December, January, okay. So simply simply copy and pasting this formula. If you see there 23, 24 thing, that function which is coming. So I have built this function, and you can apply this logic onto anywhere wherever you find where you find the things like yeah, I need to apply in Power Query as well. So I have built this function for the to understand the term which is called financial year. So and before let me elaborate again. If you see in the smaller screen, I have built this logic according to the month. Okay, I have when I reach till the 9th month, then I simply then I simply increase the one increase if it's in a greater side. If it's increasing order, then I have to apply just +1. If it's less than that, I have applied -1. Okay, so this is a simple very intuitive formula which you can build it in Power Query or in Excel or in Power BI as well, because it's a simple if condition I have applied nested if, so you can do the same. And as I told you already, this is the first part of the function which works when the increasing order. If it goes beyond, if it decreasing order less than 9, then it will apply this condition. So very simple. And if you have any doubt, any question regarding this, you can comment it, and I will share this file link in the below, so you can practice it by your own. Thank you.